This is a hotel room tour of room 4125 at the Kalahari Resort and Convention Center in Round Rock, Texas. This is a double queen room. There are two queen beds and a sofa bed pullout. They give you these cool bracelets instead of room keys. So you just kind of scan your way in. It's really great too when you have a kiddo. They also double as your water park pass. So you just kind of swipe in and out everywhere you go. Just keep that bracelet on the whole time. So you walk into this double queen room and there's this little kitchenette area. They've got a microwave, coffee maker, there's a mini fridge. They've got this little closet area right here with all the laundry essentials that you need. We did kind of tuck our suitcases under the sink there, was a great option. So the storage that you need right inside the door there, not a full kitchen, but I don't really think you would need one staying at a location like this. So they've got all the essentials. And then they've also got some great little spa products that are kind of custom and this fun little elephant towel. Always love a towel animal in a hotel room. It's so fun. So closet storage, as you can tell, we have stashed all of our stuff already. Extra pillows and blanket if you want to utilize that sofa bed, or I actually just swipe the extra blanket just to be cozy. So good size room. I would say that this is probably comparable to like a Fairfield Inn. There is a mini bar that was pretty extensive, or this little mini bar tray, but just heads up that the snacks are pretty expensive. I actually took that and just slid it on top of the shelves because we weren't going to eat them. And that way it wasn't like, it removed the temptation for us to just nab something and not be thinking about the cost. Good little place to throw your suitcase and open it up. And so this does pop out into a sofa bed. So you could sleep 6 people in this room if you would like to. Love the fun little safari animals on the wall. They really did take the safari theme and make it so beautiful. So this overlooks the outdoor pool area. Obviously, we're coming in at night here, so I will record a daytime shot and add that to the end of the video. But you can see this beautiful outdoor pool area and then some more of the resort as well. Good shot back over the beds. There are lots of charge ports and lamps. And then, of course, I would be remiss to not show you the full bath. So full bath was spacious, did have the tub. If you're traveling with kiddos, that's always great. They have more of their little fun spa products. And honestly, I love this shower curtain so much. I would like put it in my own home. I thought it was really beautiful. Um, Plenty of towels and just a great bathroom space. Full length mirror on the outside. So here is a parting shot kind of the bedroom itself. And this was definitely comfortable. It's just me and my 8-year-old traveling for a few days, and we had more than enough space. So this is, again, a double queen room with sofa. I think there are some that come without the sofa bed. There are tons of room types at this hotel. There are multi-bedroom suites. There's options with bunk beds. So if you are traveling with a larger family, this is a really great option because there are just so many different configurations. So now I'm going to pop over and show you a little bit of the resort. This is the daytime view out of our window. Window was a little dirty, so that was the best I could do. Sorry for the reflection there, but there's this event barn in the background, beautiful grounds. The pool area wasn't open yet, actually, when we took this. So it did get crowded. But it's just such a beautiful space. There's like a kid pool. There's so many different options. And then you can just see all this green way out in the back. We actually thought there were real zebras out there, but they were just these fun statues. So you can see more of the resort. It really is so huge and plenty of great hotel room options for you to stay in. Then here's some more of the outdoor area. This is kind of a lawn. The event we attended actually set up a beautiful brunch on this lawn, as well as in this event barn space. So it's a great place if you're doing some sort of a event. This is a little shot of the pool area. This lazy river was so fun. I loved all the sprinklers and the elephants. They had this great area geared more towards younger kids with fun slides. And then just so many pools. I mean, everywhere you look, there was just another pool to enjoy. Some of the larger slides from the indoor park actually come outside, so you can see those here. And then this was the indoor water park. We spent so much time here and really had so much fun. It was huge. The employees were incredible in the water park, just so kind and so helpful. Everything felt clean and safe. This kids area my daughter stayed in, I mean, I just could not tear her out. She loved these slides so much. This is kids only, or that area was. And then this amazing arcade, had so much fun in the arcade. There were rides and games. There was mini golf. I mean, just anything you could possibly think of was in this arcade. I think my daughter's favorite part was a human claw machine where you got to like strap in and actually fly and be the claw machine. She loved it. Definitely recommend that. And then there's so many great eateries throughout as well. So thanks for enjoying, and like and subscribe.